Hello guys, it's Architect Zayed here. Welcome back to another episode of how to create staircase in Revit. Sorry I was not able to upload this video yesterday, but at least I'm going to do it today. Sorry for the inconvenience. Okay. Well, in the last previous classes we were able to establish 4 types of staircases. Now this is the 5th one, but the 5th one we are going to use the generic staircase for our let me get 2000. We're going to use the generic staircase for template. I want to remove this and this and let as our template. Remove the railing, I don't want it. Okay, now edit. I don't want the riser to. Nice. Okay, good. Finish it up. So we have this for our staircase. The staircase I'm going to create is a straight run. So this time around we're going to use massing instead of model place or the normal generic staircase sketch. This time around I'm going to create something different. Okay, I want some reference plane. Name this one number 1. Good. And I want this one. Name this one number 2. Good. And I want one here. Let's name it number 3. Finish. So let me move this from here to somewhere here. Okay. All right. So let's set a plane. I want number 1. Like to sketch there. Open up south elevation preferably. Okay. And now let's put this to wireframe for me to see clearly. I want this plane. Good. So I don't want my staircase to be more than somewhere here. Okay. Now let's create the okay, I think this is okay. Yeah, it's okay. So set the next plane to plane number 2. Good. And now this time around I just require a straight line, but my straight line is not going to be from the top. It's going to be from this place all the way to somewhere here. Nice. So I'm going to shift this guy backwards to meet up with this one. Nice. So select this one on this line, and now let's create a form. Now we have our form created. Now select the top, go to 3D, select the top, which is this face here, the one facing top, and now create another form. Good. So this is the one, reducing the height. I like to reduce the height to something reasonable. I guess this is okay. Let me put it at wireframe for you to see. I guess this is okay. Yeah, it's okay. Now should I increase it a bit? Yep, it's okay. And that's it. Now I want to create some forms. This is the last one. I want to create a void form. So set plane, go to flow level, set plane to number 3 and click on open. So I prefer east elevation, which is my right hand side. Now put it at wireframe. I want to create void to cut across this. So let's take it somewhere here to here. Nice. and from here I want to increase this to about 1500, and the one beneath I want to increase it to about 4000 or 3000. Let me just make it 3000 and press on enter and create form. Let me create form first before creating the void form. Sorry, I'm supposed to select and now create form. Draw Z forward. Good. Now create form. I have this for my form, so this time around I would like to align it to this place, to exactly this place. Nice. Oh, sorry, not to this place. This all the way through is what I want, and for this face I want it to move a bit out. I want it to cut exactly through my form. Okay, now let's copy this. Let me copy it, select it, and now copy to various places. Copy, move constraint. I want multiple copy, so take this as your base point. So this one, you're going to jump one staircase at interval. Good. And this one. Good. I would have to remove this. I don't want it. Okay, so continuously. The reason why I put that at 1500 to be exact, because I want to create a kind of a graduating level design. So you see it's coming downwards. 1005 is even too much, but at least you get what I mean. Good. And this is the last one, I guess. Correct. Okay. Press an escape key to finish. Nice. And now select all of this form. We're going to change it to void form instead of solid form. Apply. Good. So I always have these issues, I don't know why. So if your form is not cutting, all you have to do is select cut and then select your form, select the void form, and then it will cut out what you want. Good. Now we have this cut out. Okay, so this is where my stair comes. So but I want to cut it perpendicularly, so I need a line. So about this, please. Yeah, to about something here, here, here to here. You will see what I'm trying to do later on. So I'm going to use this as my base point. Copy. First, before I copy, I will create another form, which is another form. So this time around I want to cut it from here to this place. Nice. Okay, so I want to copy it out. I only select the face, so I need to select everything. Now copy, take this as your base point. So where I did not, places like here, 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 good, continuously. Oopsie, I kind of missed, and I'm supposed to jump one place but I did not. And here, nice. So press on escape key to deselect, and now select this one and delete it. It's not supposed to be here. Okay, now select each and every one of this form. We're going to change it to void form. Press on the control key, gradually that is what I don't want. And I'll press. This is going to take a bit of my time. I have to select it gradually. Okay, nice. And now let's make it a void form too, and click on apply. Right, good, but I don't think all of them were selected. Oh, not all were selected. Oh, this is the most annoying part. If you missed a place, you end up selecting something else. I'll create a void. Good. And now select. If you miss something else, if you select another thing, you end up destroying your form. Good. Now void form. Nice, apply. So okay, the reason for this is because, let me show you what I did. Okay, I'm already in my 3 dimension. The reason for this is I want to have a step here. That is why I kind of cut out, put it realistic. I kind of cut out everything. You can see I have something like this. Okay, now finish it up. Remove this casing to see it very clearly. You can see we have something like this. but there is this thing I'm seeing here I do not like. I don't know where it came from. Edit, where is it from? The form? I don't know. Okay, now it's gone. Delete it. Now you see I have something like this. Okay, so for the missed steps, the steps I missed, I would like to create, you can see I have steps here. I would like to create an intervals here. Okay, so the intervals will be by extrusion. Let me just extrude it. Let me have extrusion, just generic extrusion, and then finish it up. I finish it up. Okay, wireframe. I will like to create a reference plane also here. This reference plane I would like to extrude from here. Okay, let's name it 1. Nice. And go to create, set reference plane to reference plane 1 to reference plane 1, and then open. As you like see which I will prefer the east elevation, which is my right hand side. And now let's create my extrusion. So first of all, I would like to know the distance between these two. You can see this is what I have. So the distance between these two, I would like to offset. Okay, let me just do something here. Now I have the equidistance. All I have to do is join it to this place and join it to this place and remove this guys here. Okay, and then offset it by, let's say, maybe 25 is okay. Up and down, and then remove the one in the middle. Now let's finish it up. Good. Finish it up by creating. Now let's go to site elevation. I'd like to push it out all the way to somewhere here. Yeah, let it pass. And this to here, or should I, let me just leave it to this place. Or should I just leave it here? I'm thinking which one will be much more finer. Okay, that's by the way. So let me go to east elevation again. Now select copy, multiple copy without constraint. So I will use this as my base point. So wherever you click, if it is this base point, it will hold on your thread for you. Okay, this one, and then last but not the least, this one. Good. And now we have finished. Now we have our staircase completely done. We have a staircase. You can see it's very simple. You'll get what I mean. You can see these two standards. You created something of your own, not out of somebody's work. So this is how to create a staircase out of meshing. Let me put it camera. Good. see, it's very easy. All you need to do next and just put materials to it, and you have a very standard staircase. You can see it's very simple. You can add your support at the other end and maybe this end too. You will have a very standard staircase. Or if you want, you can add support underneath this one. Any support you wish to add is based on you to create much more beauty to your staircase. So you can see it's something nice. It's really nice. You can add wood material to it. It will look fine. Or even metal. Though metal you can carve this. Some people can carve it, but it's kind of hard. But wood, you can carve this kind of form out of wood and it will look very fine. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this staircase excites you. So let's meet sometime tomorrow. Hopefully let's meet sometime tomorrow, because I don't really know. Let's meet sometime tomorrow for another interesting video. So we're going to stop here for staircase for now. I don't know if we're going to do more in future. If you have any comments, if you have any question you want to ask me, you can ask me. So let's meet sometime tomorrow. Goodbye. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye for now. Thank you.